adventure with guessing by word to the zoo. Please send me a pet. They sent me a big crate. What could it be? It was an elephant. He was too big, so I sent him back. Next crate, lift the flap. A cheeky monkey. He was too naughty, jumping everywhere, so I sent him back. Another crate, peek inside. A tall giraffe, stretched neck high. He was too tall, head in the clouds, so I sent him back. What next? Kids guess. A grumpy lion, roar loudly. He was too fierce, so I sent him back. Small crate, lift carefully. A bouncy frog, ribbit, jump up. He was too jumpy, so I sent him back. Final crate, soft and perfect. Lift up, look, a cute puppy. Woof, woof, wag, tail. He was just right, so I kept him. Everyone hugged an imaginary puppy. Yay, my perfect pet.
Guess who? My perfect pet adventure with guessing.
I wrote to the zoo, please send me a pet.
They sent me a big crate, what could it be?
It was an elephant. He was too big, so I sent him back. Next crate, lift the flap.
A cheeky monkey.
He was too naughty, jumping everywhere,
So I sent him back. Another crate, peek inside.
I told you a roughy,
Stretch neck high.
he was too tall, head in the clouds, so I sent him back.
What next? Kids guess. A grumpy lion. Roar loudly. He was too fierce.
So I sent him back. Small crate, lift carefully.
A bouncy frog, ribbit, jump up. He was too jumpy.
So I sent him back.
Final crate, soft and perfect. Lift the flap. A cute puppy. Woof, woof. Wag, tail. He was just right, so I kept him. Everyone hung an imaginary puppy. Yay, my